All right, you guys. So today we're reviewing place versus value. So remember our place value chart. We have our ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. And what's after 10,000s? Right, 100,000s. I'll put it right here. So make sure you memorize the place value chart. Now, we're going to be talking about expanded form. Expanded form is when you expand the number, right? So we're going to expand the number 96,014. So if I wanted to expand this, I first start with my 10,000s place. And I know that's worth 90,000 plus, how much is this 6 worth? Good, 6,000 plus, do I need to do anything with the 0? No, because it's a 0. So how much is the 1 worth? Good, the 1 is worth 10 and plus 4. So which one has 90,000 plus 6,000 plus 10 plus 4? Good, D would be my answer. All right, so now let's look at our next one. Write the following numbers using base 10 numerals. Base 10 numerals is the same thing as standard form. That means regular numbers. When you see base 10 numerals, think of regular numbers. So we're writing 6,044. Now this is not 6,044 because there's nothing in the hundreds place, remember. So we have to put something in the hundreds place. So there's no hundred, so we got to put a 0 there. So this is 6,044. So make sure you understand that 40 is in the tens and 4 is in the ones. All right, so let's look and see what's the value of the numbers. Can you tell me what is the value of the number 4 and 46,326? What is the value of that 4? Good, the value of this 4 is 40,000. It is worth 40,000. I know it's in the 10,000, but the value is 40,000. All right, what is the value of this 5 and 15,386? What's the value of that 5? Good, the value of the 5 is 5,000. It's worth 5,000. All right, so let's look at this problem. What is the value of this? Show how the value of the 6 changes. How does this 6 change from 261 to 621? So we got to look at the values. This is worth how much? 600, because we're looking at the 6's. And this is worth how much? 60. All right, so which one shows 60 and 600? Good. A shows 60 and 600. Another way you can solve this is, remember to just line up your numbers and figure out, we're dealing with the 6's here, right? So how many loops does it take to get from the 60 to the hundreds, 10s to the hundreds? 1 loop. So we know it's times 10. So we know my answer is A, 60 times 10. All right, so what you just reviewed is place versus value, making sure you understand the concept of the difference between a place and its value.